So I washed and conditioned my hair using Maple Holistics Tea Tree Conditioner. Now I have to blow dry my hair. Also, I'm gonna try using that trimmer buddy for my split ends, but I'm gonna straighten my hair. Even though I'm wearing a wig, I still don't want my hair like hella poofy and shit. It makes it easier to put the wig on, you know? So, let's go. surprised that this really works. Like, fireworks. got split ends, but that's what you're going to take this concept from here. I'll do this, but I won't cut my hair with scissors. Alright, here's some plaited hair. That's the skittles it's gonna get without me going to the shop, so at least if I want to wear my own hair, I can. And it makes it easier to put a wig on when my hair is straight, or if I don't feel like wearing a wig, I can just do my hair, you know. Hopefully I don't sweat it out. I'm gonna wrap it up and tie it up and make sure I don't go to sleep with my hair out, because that's when it gets off like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.